Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nikari Chitrawati and I'm going to deliver a presentation about 21st century teachers. The shifting roles in teachers is one of the characteristics of 21st century learning. And it's such a belief from decades that material and also teachers is the only one source of learnings. So what the teachers do and what the teachers assign to students to do and model in the classroom is considered as the truth. But along with the development of science and also technology, the roles of the teachers is also changed. Teachers plays the role in this era is as a co-learners, in which this means that teachers is no longer the only one source of learning, but in this case, teachers guides the instruction and also facilitate the learners to engage in activities of learning that enable the students to reach their learning goals. In this case, once again, teachers and also students work hand in hand to reach or get the learning objectives. And as a 21st century teachers, what I would like to do in deals with developing my students' speaking skills, I'd like to combine the concept of student-centered learning and also collaborative learnings, which is known by SCCL techniques that proposed by ECOR 2011. And how I would like to start my teaching speaking skills using the SCCL techniques is that the first one, I would like to determine the learning objectives, in which I would like to assign the student to describe a public place to visit in their favorable times. To start, I'd like to give the student or assign the students to work collaboratively in a group of four, so a foursome group work in which the students will discuss and share ideas about their favorite place to visit in their favorable time. So where to visit and when they want to visit that place. So the students will engage in such kind of discussion activity in which they can share and work collaboratively and also communicate ideas. So these two activities, collaborative and also communications, so collaboration and also communications are the key points of teaching the student 21st century skills. And then the next thing that I would like to do after assign the students to involve in a group discussions is a switch or a change group work in which one group will share their work or result of the discussions about the favorable place to visit and time to visit that place to the other groups, and the other group will likely to respond in a form of questions or paraphrase what the other group have mentioned or have discussed during the sharing ideas. And then the next step that I would like to develop in my teaching is shifting from wholesome work to two-some works, in which the students will share their ideas that they get from the group discussions into a peer work discussions, and then they will share and then compare ideas presented in the classroom about what they have done in the foursome group, and then what they have done or they get in the twosome group, and then present the ideas and also compare the ideas to develop their own ideas about their favorable place to visit and also their favorable time to visit that place. Um, so this technique works a lot on the collaborative works and also communication in the discussion forum or sharing ideas forum. So I believe that by doing these kinds of activities, students will have a lot of chance to speak, to communicate, to use their creativity, to be critical in analyzing or in thinking about the ideas that they would like to have regarding to selecting or describing their favorite place to visit in their favorable time. Um, that's all that I can tell you today, and thanks for listening. Goodbye.